channel. If you're new to my channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. Today, I am going to show you how to assemble a vlogging 13-inch selfie ring light with a 63-inch tripod stand. This is a continuation of an unboxing that I did a few days ago. If you didn't see the unboxing from Amazon Prime, the video is linked up there. This is where I actually opened up the ring light, and I told you guys that I was going to come back and show you how to assemble it. So here I am. So I've already taken the things out of the box. I've got them laid to the side. There will be a picture that's going to be side by side that's going to show you the items that's to be put together. So let's go ahead and get in where we fit in. So let's go. Let's get started. We're going to first start by attaching the two phone holder heads to the phone holders. Be sure to take the ball end of the phone holder head and puncture it into the circular part of the phone holder and securing it with the cap. Make sure you secure it tightly. Next, we're going to insert the phone holder and the phone holder head into the ring light from the inside. Be sure to tighten it, but not too tight that you cannot take it apart. Next, you're going to secure the tripod head into the bottom of the ring light. Secure it, but don't secure it too tightly that you cannot take it apart. Next, we're going to go ahead and open up the tripod stand. Each and every individual areas are going to have an extension to extend or decrease the tripod in height. Be sure to tighten it, but again, do not tighten it where you cannot take it apart. Remember, this is 63 inches. Now you're going to attach the ring light by using the tripod head that's attached to the ring light and then to the tripod. Be sure to secure it tightly, but again, not too tight where you cannot take it apart. Now we're going to secure the microphone tray. You can do the microphone stand tray or you can use it for makeup. Be sure to securely tighten it to the tripod and adjust it to your level or your height. Or your desired height. Next, we're going to attach the tablet holder. Using the tablet holder head, put that into the tablet holder and securing it with the cap. Secure it tightly because you do not want your tablet to fall off the stand. You will again attach this according to your desired height. Voila! Okay, before I show you the final look-see of what this looks like assembled, it was like 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. I had it all put together, easy peasy. They had it packed very nicely, and it's nice. It's very nice, and I'm loving it. But I want to show you some other things before I show you what it looks like when it's all dolled up. But it came with a selfie ring light. Okay, let me see if that's on there. There we go. A selfie ring light. Let me show you what it looks like. You get it open here. You just put it on your phone. I haven't put the batteries in. It takes two AAA batteries, and the light ring, it gets a light all the way around. So this is the ring light, and you just put it on your cell phone, at the tip of the cell phone, and you got an instant selfie ring light. That's what comes with it. Also, now how many of you have more than one ring light? I have 3. This is my 4th one because I'm always filming in my dining room too, and I don't want to have a tripod in the dining room. Plus, as big as my table is, if I put the tripod at the end of the table, it's still like way too far away. And then if I put it on the table, it's too tall, even at the shortest length. So they sent me one of these two. And you sit that on the table comfortably, and it comes with the little stretchy. And you can either put it in down here on the screw, or you can go this way on the screw. Just a note here, with a YouTube video, the videos and the lives, your camera should be landscape, left to right. If you are doing a short for YouTube or a reel for Instagram or Facebook or TikTok, it should be portrait, up and down. So you can either go and put it on the bottom side, got the little thing there, just screw it on, and then it has one here that you can do it the long way. So those are the 2 things that they sent with it, and I'm gonna say it was really easy putting this together, although the directions was a little bit convoluted to me. So it's like if you had one ring light, you probably know how to put it together. So this was easy for me to put together. It was really easy to put together. So overall, I'm gonna rate this as I'm gonna rate it as a 9 because some of the things was a little bit convoluted. I was like, how do you do this? And then I figured it out. And I got it to work. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the final look-see of what this beautiful thing looks like, all decorated. So hang on, let's get it going. And now you have it. You have your 2 phone holders. You go down a little, you have your tablet holder, or another phone could go in there too. Just depends on how big the phone is, because you know some of those phones get pretty big now. And then there is my stand that I can use either for my microphone when I'm doing my podcast or for my makeup. And then we're gonna go all the way down there. Now we have it. But let me show you the cool, neat thing here. Okay, it says here, it has 3 normal lighting models, 12 brightness levels, 50 RGB modes in total to meet all activity needs. Let me show you what it does. Here's the actual remote control. There's also a remote control that's manual on the actual USB cord that's attached to the ring light. And let's see if we can go up there and show it to you. Let's see if we can get in there. And there it is. So you can manually do it, or you can use the remote control. But let's go ahead and get to business here. So these are the different settings. And then let's put some color in here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Amazing. So I am totally loving this ring light. Look at that. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. I hope you've enjoyed this how to assemble the Vlogging 13-inch selfie ring light with a tripod stand and all the goodies that came with it. Just to let you know, when I bought it, prices are subject to change. I found it on Amazon Prime. It was $42.99. So I'm loving it, and I'm gonna do a test here and see if it does anything with the lighting here. Let's see if it's different. Hey! So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you can be notified of all of my videos when they're uploaded. Share me out because sharing is caring. And as I always say at each and one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye.